I've been getting a lot of questions lately about the Midwifery Bridge Certificate and the system that Hive has for you to complete those educational requirements. So I figured I will make a quick little video that answers all the questions I've been getting in one place. So in order to meet all their educational requirements, there's a certain number of credits you need to have in Category 1, Category 2, and then Category 3. And to be clear, we just offer the educational pathway. We have no control over whether your application gets approved or denied, and I don't know all the requirements. I didn't make the requirements. I just know this one little piece because we have a pathway that will meet that criteria. To meet that criteria using courses on Hive, you need to take hands-on suturing, and then you also need to take the bridge bundle to complement hands-on suturing. And that bundle has over 36 hours of completely on-demand content. Hands-on suturing is a hybrid of on-demand content and a live Zoom session, and that's why you sign up for that separately, because you're signing up for a particular session on a particular day. In addition to all of that, you will also need to take NRP in order to meet all the educational requirements, including the hands-on components for both Category 1 and Category 2. Now, are there different ways that you can do the bridge and use some of our bridge approved courses and other things? Absolutely. I'm just telling you that this is one way you can do it, that we've already done all the math for, so we know that it will meet all the different numbers you need in each of the categories and give you a hands-on component for both Category 1 and Category 2. If you have additional questions or if you need help navigating this, anything at all, just drop me an email, jessica@hivece.com.